How to fix drowned error Minecraft. So if you want to fix the drowned error in Minecraft, then I'll just put a link in the description. You just need to simply tap on that link and it will take you to a page. And once you're here on the page, you just need to go for download and download the application. Go for open Microsoft Store. And now you can check whether installing this Xbox admin is required or not. After this, you just need to enter services in the search and then select the service, which is Xbox. So here you will have Xbox Accessory Management Service. Click on it and then go for the startup type and choose automatic. Once you've chosen, click on apply and click on OK. And after that, you need to select the service, that is Xbox Live Networking Service. Double click on that service, and here also in the select startup type, you just need to choose automatic and then you need to start the service. Click on start and then start, and once you've started, you need to go for apply and then OK. And now you need to double click on the web account manager. So search for web account manager and again choose automatic and apply the changes and hit the OK. And once you've entered or once you've done all of these settings, now you just need to open up your Minecraft and you need to check whether the drowning error has been fixed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.